Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how to do a video ping with Pixabay as your featured image replacements. So I'm going to choose video ping, go choose a video, and I'll just pull one. Here's a good one. Copy link address, come over here, hit add, and paste it in there. And I did that copy with just the right mouse button and then copy. And let's skip all that. Okay, that's the thumbnail that it pulls from YouTube. So I'm going to come over and to my thumbnails tab. We're going to choose Pixabay and choose your search account, and I'm going to do image pack. Hit update, and then I'll create variations. So if you don't like what you see in the variations, then come back over here to thumbnails and change your keywords, because that's what these are tags from YouTube. So I'm going to do home workouts, weight loss, online exercise. Take a look at new ones here. Hit update. Fewer examples of featured images, so you can go in and just change these thumbnails and do whatever search you want. And when you get very brand specific like P90X, well, Pixabay doesn't do brands, so you're going to want to actually put in like gym, yoga, something very generic, and hit update, and then update variations. So that's how easy it is to use Pixabay, and you see they do repeat, so try to have at least 10 to 15 different keywords in there that you can use inside of here. And that's all there is to setting up Pixabay.